I'd just like to thank the judge and the jury for giving me a fair trial. My parents for being here every day, as well as my brother and sisters. I'd like to thank my barristers Brendan Kelly and Stephen Toll, and my solicitors Joe McVeigh and Kevin Winters of KRW Law.
We're grateful to the jury for reaching what was a common sense verdict of not guilty on all counts. Paddy has been consistent in his denials and in his account. Consistency had never been a feature of the complainant's evidence long before she entered the witness box. So these acquittals should come as no surprise to anyone. Paddy leaves court for the last time today, as he entered it almost 10 weeks ago, an innocent man. The prosecution made much of a perceived privileged position provided by virtue of Paddy being an international rugby player. We say that it was this very status as a famous sportsman that drove the decision to prosecute in the first place. Paddy and his parents have paid a heavy price, personally, professionally, and financially. This price was paid despite the fact that he has never been anything other than entirely innocent. Vile commentary expressed on social media, going well beyond fair comment, has polluted the sphere of public discourse and raised real concerns about the integrity of the trial process. We want to thank the learned trial judge Patricia Smith for her management of this trial in the face of an onslaught of toxic content, particularly on Twitter. Several days of this trial were lost due to problems thrown up by the intrusive infection of the process by social media. Even at the hands of public servants who should have known better, we invite the Office of the Lord Chief Justice, the Attorney General and the Public Prosecution Service to enter into fresh discussions with us to look at more robust mechanisms that can strike an effective balance between everyone's rights, but that properly secure the integrity of our criminal justice system. As for Paddy, his main priority now is to return to work. That means getting back on the rugby pitch and representing his province and his country. Thank you.
I want to acknowledge publicly that though I committed no criminal offence on the evening of the 28th of June 2016, I regret deeply the events of that evening. I want to acknowledge that the complainant came to court and gave evidence about her perception of those events. I am sorry for the hurt that was caused to the complainant. It was never my intention to cause any upset to anyone on that night. I don't agree with her perception of events, and I maintain that everything that happened that evening was consensual. I have consistently told the truth to the police and the court when asked to account for my conduct. The Stuart Olding who has been portrayed over the past 9 weeks in this trial is not the real Stuart Olding. I am fiercely proud to represent my province and my country. I have worked very hard to achieve those goals. I would like to thank my legal team for their hard work and their belief in me throughout. And finally, to my family, thank you all for standing by me from the beginning.